The next item is a supporting document of bank account. New applicants must provide a copy of the bank statement or the first page of the bank book. As for continuing applicants, if they have updated their bank account information, they should provide a copy of the bank statement or the first page of bank book as supporting proof for their new account. There will be exemption from submitting the relevant supporting documents if the following requirements are met. 1. Applicant has a successful application under the Financial Assistance Scheme of the SFO and was disbursed with payment of grant and/or loan to his or her bank account while the applicant has submitted a copy of bank account proof in the above successful application. And 2. Applicant uses the same bank account, that is, the above bank account which has been disbursed with grant and/or loan, in the application this time. For the exemption from submitting identity documents and bank account documents just mentioned, the decision of the SFO will be final in case of any disputes. If necessary, the applicant may still be required to submit the relevant supporting documents. The next item to cover is the documentary proof on income in the assessment year. All applicants, including both new applicants or continuing applicants, should provide the tax demand note issued by the Inland Revenue Department for all salaried employed persons in the family. If this is not available, please provide the employer's return of remuneration and pensions form, salary statement, or bank transaction record or bank passbook showing the payment of salary, allowance, etc. If a copy of the bank transaction record or passbook is submitted, please also provide the page showing the name of bank account holder and use a color pen to highlight the income-related entries and providing remarks. For any entries other than income, please also make necessary remarks next to them. If none of the above income proofs is available, please use Sample 1 attached to the application documents and submit the income certificate certified by the employer. As for self-employed drivers or persons running business, they are required to provide profit and loss account verified by a certified public accountant. If there is no relevant profit and loss account, please submit the profit and loss account prepared on your own using Sample 2 or 3 attached to the application documents together with the personal assessment notice, if applicable. If the salaried employed or self-employed persons cannot provide any income proofs, please use Sample 4 in the application documents to provide self-prepared income breakdown, detailing the monthly income throughout the year and explaining why income proof cannot be provided. If the applicant fails to provide justification for not providing income proof, the SFO may not further process the application. Finally, persons with rental income should provide the tenancy agreement or the bank transaction record showing the rental income together with the page showing the name of the bank account holder. If the applicant's family is a single-parent family, a new applicant should provide a copy of supporting document for separation or divorce or the spouse's death certificate. If the supporting document is not available, please explain in writing and sign on an explanatory note for consideration by the SFO. For a continuing applicant who has declared his or her family as a single-parent family and submitted relevant supporting documents for separation or divorce or spouse's death certificate in the preceding school year, the applicant is still required to declare in writing again that the single-parent situation remains unchanged in this school year. Meanwhile, please be reminded that the applicant should submit a copy of documentary proof on unavoidable medical expenses to the SFO if he or she has incurred medical expenses for family members who are chronically ill or permanently incapacitated, or documentary proof on the dependent parents, if any, in the assessment year. Applicants should read the guidance notes on household application and the notes on how to complete and return electronic household application form on the WFSFAA's website regarding the latest requirements on submission of supporting documents. Applicants may scan the supporting documents just mentioned as PDF or JPEG files and upload each type of supporting document separately by clicking the buttons under their respective titles on the supporting document page, and then select the corresponding supporting document in computer or mobile device to upload, or simply drag the supporting document to the corresponding box. Please note that the size of each supporting document must not exceed the limitations specified under the title on the supporting document page. Otherwise, please increase the image's compression rate or decrease JPEG file's resolution value to compress the file. After selecting all supporting documents, the applicant needs to enter the verification code shown on the page in the designated box for authentication. The applicant may submit the completed e-form and the relevant supporting documents by clicking Submit after checking and confirming that all the data entered and files uploaded are correct. Then, a pop-up window will be shown confirming that you are going to submit the e-form to the SFO, together with the message on the methods to supplement documents to the SFO, if necessary, after submitting the e-form. If no further revision is required, please click Confirm to submit the completed e-form and the relevant supporting documents. Upon successful submission, a message showing Submission Details will be displayed on the page. Applicants may print this page for record. Applicants may also download and save a copy of the submitted e-form for reference. Besides, applicants are invited to complete an anonymous customer satisfaction survey under the submission message. All information collected is for satisfaction analysis as reference for continuous service improvement. Apart from watching this video, you can browse the website of the WFSFAA for information about the student financial assistance schemes at pre-primary, primary, and secondary levels. The guidance notes on household application and the notes on how to complete and return electronic household application form are also available on the WFSFAA's website. For any inquiries, please call the hotline at 2802-2345.